Going to Mahadev Temple, Tamdisurla, enroute, we, a group of 21 people, young and old, undertook an adventurous forest walk in the Sahyadri Mountains. This reserve forest is a habitat for cheetahs and bears. As we walked through, we crossed a pond and went deep into the forest. We saw weird trees, took rocky and rough paths, encountered wild insects, crossed the rivulet, walked in the plains and in between shrubs. Then we relished a traditional food and proceeded our journey. See you soon in the Mahadev Temple. Bye till then.